Hey guys, I am really excited to show you this home today. This is 4385 North Buck Hall Loop in Oakwood Village in Beverly Hills. It's a really nice community and neighborhood. And here you can see our front porch. Let me get you guys inside and check out this beautiful home. Alright, welcome to your new home. As you can see, we enter into the great room. It's very nice and open space. This home has been meticulously maintained, and it's got some really nice updates. You can see a nice laminate floor throughout, nice neutral paint tones. We've got vaulted ceilings up top, which is also cool. Gives it a nice open feel, and we have this little peekaboo through the kitchen, so you're all in one space. So here is our living room. Off to the right, we've got a hallway with a bedroom and bathroom. This floor plan is a split floor plan, providing some nice space from you and company or family. This room has a walk-in closet. Right in there. And then, as you can see, we have window fixtures throughout the home, as well as a couple of these window seats, which are just a nice little touch for storage. You can get some pillows on there and read. Just a nice little feature for these homes. In the hallway here, we have our linen closet, and then our updated bathroom here. So we've got a window in the shower, some updated lighting going on. Nice tile job in there as well. Off of the bathroom, we have our den space. Right now it's being used as a small little TV room, but you can use this for an office, or if you've got some people camping out, there's an extra space in there. We're going to go ahead and pop out here since the door is open. Here is your screened covered lanai. And these windows do go up. Right now they're down, really nice breeze coming through the space. And then, of course, off of that, we have your fenced-in yard. The hedge is actually part of the property line. The fence is on the inside of that, so that hedge provides some nice privacy from your back neighbors. And then I'll just kind of spin you around, and we'll check out the back of the house there. All right, let's head back on inside. All right, through our small office or den space, it comes back to the living room, so it has a really nice flow to the space. And then just off the living room, we have a little nook area for dining. And you can see there's lots of bright light that comes through this house. It really makes a nice effect. And then, as I mentioned, just very well maintained and well updated. So here we have solid wood cabinets with a really nice backsplash that kind of complements the tile floor, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a good, nice sized kitchen. Right off of the kitchen, we have our dining room. And then just off the dining room in our split floor plan, we have the owner's suite. So we can come in here, we've got a small hallway, and then we have a really nice sized owner's suite. Once more, we have one of those window benches. That new flooring throughout, and an ensuite bathroom. Let's go check that out. So, good sized bathroom here. As you can see, we have mirrored storage. There's 2 extra closets in here. We've got a double vanity, so you don't have to share. And we also have a walk-in tile shower. Open that up a little bit more there. So nice window in there as well for some natural light. I'm really impressed with this home, so I'm very happy to bring this to you. And then on this side of the home, we just walk down the hallway here, and we've got interior laundry with some space for additional storage, which is always a plus in a laundry room. And I'm glad this vehicle is in here. It gives you an idea of how large the garage is. It is a 2-car garage. We do have a side door, so you can access without opening the garage. And of course we have our laundry sink over there. And we'll just finish our tour out by once more coming into this beautiful, bright living room space. There we go. I look forward to seeing you guys out, and I hope you enjoy checking this home out.